Don't you just hate it when your archive machine overheats and there's nothing you can do about it until you just realize, dang, I need more fans. So I got 5 of them. Welcome to Quantum Nerd. Welcome back to Quantum Nerd. So a few weeks ago I decided I wanted to build an archive machine, a RAID 5. In case a drive does fail, I can just pop in a new drive and it'll rebuild it for me. So everything was working fine up to a point where I wanted to try to do some recording on this machine. So all my recording will be backed up to the machine. So the problem stands that it overheats in OBS, unfortunately. So the best solution, the best budget, cheap solution I can think of is do 5 fans rather than do the CPU fan. So since this computer case only came with a 1 fan in the back, it's not gonna effectively cool the hardware inside. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do a video on this. This is gonna be more of a how-to, not really a recommendation on what fans to buy. Actually, these fans right here only cost me $16.95. What I have here are the Apevia 120mm 4-pin Molex, a 3-pin Motherboard ultrasonic case fan. Wow, it's a mouthful. So if you want to know more about this case, I'll be sure to leave it below in the description. So everyone up to snuff? Basic case, basic fans. I have no idea what I'm doing, so let's get started. So here we are now and the results are in. Originally the temperatures maxed out about 68 degrees Celsius. Unfortunately we weren't able to get the temperatures as low as to be expected. We were only able to get the temperature down to about 58 degrees. Well, at least we got something out of it. Is it worth it? Well, one thing you gotta consider, is it a gaming machine or is it something that you're gonna use for a functional backup system? So the answer is yes, it is worth it for this type of system. Now, if you're gonna do it for a gaming machine, I would have to say no. Now, if you're leaning towards gaming, you definitely wanna spot some money towards a CPU fan. Paying a little extra goes a long way if you wanna get the most out of your gaming experience. And if you're leaning towards editing, then I would say definitely spend some extra money on your CPU fan. Well, everyone, that's all I have for this video for today. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, please hit that like button. And while you're at it, why don't you hit the subscribe button? And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.